My skin did not always look like this before I found the right routine. Hey gorgeous faces, welcome back to Beauty Pond, your absolute home for all things authentic K-beauty. And if you're new here, I'm Chuchu and I'm incredibly excited to be your host. Well, I've been a massive fan of Beauty Pond for years, and standing here today sharing my space feels like a total dream. But let's be real for a second, my skin did not always look like this before I found the right routine. I was struggling hard, and I'm talking about stubborn post-acne marks, uneven skin tone and texture that made my makeup look patchy. I tried everything, stripped my skin barrier and felt so frustrated. Comment down if you can relate. Today I'm walking you through the exact morning routine that transformed my skin from dull, uneven to healthy and glowing. And it all started with this viral superstar, the Cosrx 6-Peptide Skin Booster Serum. If you want your other skincare products to do their job, you need this. It has 6 different peptides that targets everything from pores and elasticity to soothing and brightening. Think of it as a primer for your skincare. It sinks in instantly and plumps up the skin. It opens up the pathway for the rest of your routine to work twice as fast. I just pat it all over right after cleansing. Now let's tackle the struggle that took me the longest to fix: dark spots and uneven skin tone. For this, we have Cosrx D-Alpha Arbutin 2 Discoloration Care Serum. If you have acne scars or sunspots that refuses to leave, Alpha Arbutin is your new best friend. It gently breaks down excess melanin without irritating sensitive skin, and since using this daily, my before and after has been night and day. The dark spots on my cheek completely faded out, leaving my complexion looking incredibly even. Next up, we have to lock in that goodness with moisture, but without looking heavy or sticky. And for that, I swear by the Isin 3 Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream. Look at this texture, it's like a drink of water for your face. It uses 5 different types of hyaluronic acid to drench your skin cells in deep moisture. But since it's a lightweight gel, it absorbs beautifully without making you look greasy. If you have combination or oily skin, or you just hate heavy cream in the summer heat, this is your absolute must-have. Okay, legal disclaimer time. You can use all the brightening serums in the world, but if you are not protecting your skin from the sun, those dark spots will come back. My holy grail protection, the Thank You Farmers Sun Project Skin Relief Sun Cream. This isn't just a sunscreen, it feels like a luxurious soothing lotion. It has Centella asiatica and chia seed extract that calms any wetness instantly. And the best part, zero white cast, zero stickiness, just beautiful healthy glow. And it acts as the perfect base under makeup. Consistency is everything, going from my rough, uneven before skin to this healthy, resilient after took patience. And this exact lineup, you can find all these authentic K-beauty essentials linked right now in the description box below. If this video helped you or inspired you for your next skincare routine, please hit the like button and save this video for your next shopping haul. Subscribe to our Beauty Pond channel so you never miss out on our weekly skincare guide. And also, let me know in the comments which product you're most excited to try. Until then, keep glowing. Bye!